Have you ever wondered why cities are so hot? Have you ever thought how cities can mitigate global warming? Have you ever wondered how neighborhoods are created, destroyed, or revitalized? This bachelor, the Bachelor in Urban Studies, trains you to answer these questions and turn problems into opportunities. Cities occupy only 2% of the planet's surface. They accommodate more than 50% of the world population. They consume 80% of the global energy. They produce 75% of the carbon emissions, and they generate 80% of the global GDP today. This number puts cities at the center of any discussion about sustainability, about global warming, about social justice, urbanization, and progress. The Bachelor in Urban Studies is structured in three components: the natural environment, the social environment, and the built environment. The integration of these three components takes place in the City Lab, where you will undertake hands-on projects. Our locations in Madrid and Segovia, with easy access to any city in Europe, mean that we can use cities as a living laboratory and as a practical example to develop hands-on projects. We have developed our own teaching methodology where we integrate all this knowledge from a holistic point of view to foster innovation, creativity, and opportunities. So this is a fast-growing field. Emerging roles and possibilities are growing every day. The Bachelor in Urban Studies gives you the skills highly demanded by private companies, public sector, NGOs, and academic institutions. You will be able to work as a consultant on urban strategy, sustainability manager, community development specialist, resource manager, data visualization specialist, and real estate professional. The most important thing that you should know about this program is that you must be passionate about cities. If you're passionate about sustainability and you want to understand how cities can mitigate global warming, or if you are passionate about cities' life and you want to improve people's lives, or if you're passionate about technology and you want to understand how technology can help to build better cities, this is your program.